All right, guys, we have the new project truck. If you guys missed last video, definitely go check it out. We got this truck's little brother because we have a 2001 Dodge Ram 2500, and it's a little brother because it's only two-wheel drive. Picked this thing up yesterday, me and Caleb. His link will be down below. We just did a detail on his 1956, and the video is going to turn out awesome. Definitely go check that out. But now we're going to be doing a detail. It's not going to be fully clean, but it's going to be cleaner than it is right now. As you can see, has a bunch of dirt on the paint. Just the whole side looks exactly like that fender. There's a bunch of stuff in the bed we're going to have to get rid of. We're going to throw it away. There are some parts in here, so we're not going to be throwing everything away. We got a nice toolbox here that has, you know, a bunch of stuff in it that has to be thrown away. And the inside, man, it was a lot dirtier than this, but we did throw some stuff out at the guy's house that I bought this from. But it definitely needs a good cleaning. And it's a bunch of trash. These door panels should clean up pretty good with some degreaser. Be able to throw them back on here. So yeah, guys, this is the new project truck. I was kind of skeptical of getting another second gen, but I can't leave the second gen life. My first ever truck was a 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, and then I got the 2001 2500, and I had to get another 2500 second gen. So we're probably going to be building this truck into a street truck, so definitely, guys, stay tuned. This video is about detailing, so let's hop right into it.
Scars. I'll brush you up just like the dust upon my shoulder. I have a hunch of who you are. Believe it or not, I got the strength to blow you
got going on?
Spraying down these door panels, man. They turned out pretty good. The passenger side one turned out a little better than the driver, of course, because it was used a lot less, but these things started off in really bad shape. I haven't hit it with a second brushing yet on the driver's side. The passenger side turned out pretty good though, but
Bet you
these
if we
brushes
just
work pretty good.
sit for like 5 minutes or something.
It has been.
Yeah, oh, it's
Twice,
been sitting?
2 times, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Man, you're questioning the detail master, man. If there's one thing I can do well, man, like detailing, I love to detail. Detailing's my thing. I'm gonna have a detailing video coming out pretty soon on that F250 over there, but yep.
Yeah,
I like to detail. I don't tell anybody about it, but I love to detail. I never talk about it.
Yeah, so while he's finishing up that, it's getting pretty dark. Obviously, you guys can see my camera kind of lines it up a little bit, but it's getting pretty dark. We didn't get to the outside of the truck. The outside's still dirty. The bed is still dirty. But man, we went ham on the interior of this thing, and it looks crazy good, man. As you guys saw in the B-roll, there was tons of stuff in here. The floors look disgusting. The seats were already in pretty good condition, but we cleaned them up, got some leather cleaner, leather conditioner on them. We just went to town on this, man. We even cleaned the door jambs, man, on the inside. Like, I'd never do that. I never have done that on my other 2001 over there. But man, check out this interior and how it turned out. I love these vinyl floors because they're so easy to clean, man. We just took that, where is it at? The drill attachment. You can use this on carpet, vinyl. You just attach it to your drill and spray some degreaser or whatever kind of cleaner you want to use on whatever surface, and then you hook this to the drill, and man, this made quick work of cleaning that floor. Caleb actually let me borrow this, and he said he got them from Amazon, so I'll link it down below where you can pick one of these up. And also, where are those detail brushes? Man, these detail brushes save the day as well. Gotta have good products and good tools to get the job done, and detail brushes are definitely one of the best things you can have for cleaning interior.
And if you guys think this stuff is expensive, it's not. Those came in a pack of 5, and it was like 12 bucks. There's like 5 of those, different sizes. Those were like 10 bucks or less.
These were $6.99 for 3 of them, which you can probably find cheaper ones than that, but these are pretty good quality. Yeah. I'll link it down below if you guys want to go pick yourself up some detail brushes or that drill attachment. I'll also link whatever other products we use, if I can find it, to Amazon. So if you guys want to go check out Gunk, if you guys can't find that on Amazon, go look for it in stores. Definitely highly recommend this. We use this product on pretty much everything except for this leather seats, and that did great. We used it on the door panels and everything else. But yeah, let's go ahead and give you guys a longer look at the interior. Man, it's looking good. It's looking like a daily driver now. Man, if this dash wasn't cracked and like the interior front dash looked good, this would be a good looking truck.
Yeah, you can daily this thing 100%.
Yeah,
100%.
So like, this interior doesn't look like the outside of the truck. It doesn't look like it belongs inside this truck. It's just crazy how it all turned out. We got the middle seat put back in. It's just not bolted yet.
Puppy's clean.
But yeah, we got it all cleaned up.
We cleaned it. We ain't had nothing.
We just got to bolt that down. We just didn't have time.
Showed him this too.
Yeah, we cleaned that up.
Cleaned it up. Eh?
We had a newer one than the one that was originally in here because that one was broken. The guy gave me a new one, so we cleaned that up. Got that put in. We got the part under the steering wheel put back in. Yeah, I'll give you guys a look from the driver's side. This side was Caleb's mostly. He was cleaning this side, so let's see how he did.
Better.
All right. That door panel looks pretty good. Hinges look pretty good, man. He was saying you can eat off these.
Eat off them hinges, baby.
But
check out that steering wheel real quick. Go ahead and peep that steering wheel.
He spent like 15 minutes working on this steering wheel, and it looks.
Peep that thing.
Dude, this steering wheel.
Should have saw it before. Thing was in pretty bad shape.
Dude, since it had that steering wheel cover on there, it saved this steering wheel. Like, mine looks wrecked, and this one looks pretty good.
We're gonna pop out these Phillips head screws. We're gonna dust off the inside, and then we're gonna polish this lens to make it look brand new. So that lens will look brand new too. But check out them knobs. I did you a knob job, baby.
Oh yeah.
Look at them knobs.
Look at that.
Hell yeah.
But yeah, there's still a ton of work to do to this truck. We have the driver's side door in the bed of that truck. Back when we go up. I just don't have bolts to put them in right now. I don't know why I'm still holding these detail brushes. Just a ton of stuff. Just looking at this, we're gonna have to get a lot of fuses there. But for the interior detail, we just don't have enough time to do the full truck, you know, outside and in. We were only able to get to the inside today.
Too much kicker? You got a kicker in there?
Yeah, we got one kicker.
Try to be easy.
No speaker, and no speaker on this door. So we got one speaker going. We're gonna be bumping out the truck meets. But I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, Caleb, your floor looks a little dirty.
I told you we should have sprayed it out, man. You wanted to wipe it with 100,000 paper towels on it. Just spray that thing out. You got vinyl, just spray it out.
Oh well, still looks good. I mean, this interior compared to what it looked like before, 100 times better. And I couldn't be more happy how this thing turned out. So if you guys like this video and you guys like detailing, subscribe. Every time we get a new truck, we go ahead and first thing we do is detail it. So we just did a detail video on Caleb's truck. Like I said at the beginning of the video, go check it out on his 1965.
Should already be up.
1965, 1956.
56, yeah. Should already be up. If it's not up already, it should be up in the next day or so.
But yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm gonna get out here the crack of dawn and, you know, pressure wash and clean out the bed and do the whole outside of the truck. We're gonna hopefully try to find some bolts to put the door back on, so that will be put back on. But definitely stay tuned for tomorrow's video for the outside detail of this truck. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe if you guys are new. Subscribe to Paradox's channel. Caleb, his link will be posted down below. See you guys later. Peace.